Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me tell you that I've been vacationing in USA for about 2 months now, visiting Austin, and now we are visiting Colorado, the Rockies mountain, and presently I'm sitting uh, near a pond in Rocky Mountains. This area is called Bear Lake, and it is very good for uh, trekking experience, and we are enjoying it very much. So, sitting here on a rock, I just thought let me share with you some insights of American uh, economy and how the NRIs and Americans should do their financial planning. I hope you'll enjoy it. Please watch to the full. So, friends, today I would like to discuss how NRI staying in USA should be doing his or her financial planning. The basic principles or structure of financial planning is universal, be it in India or abroad. However, there may be some instruments or avenues which may be slightly different in USA or any other country. The first stage of financial planning, it starts with creating an emergency fund. So, what is emergency fund? It's basically a corpus which you create to maintain yourself and your family for 3 to 6 months. And the basic purpose is that in case you lose your job or something happens to you or your family members so that you cannot continue working, in that case you have something to rely upon, and that will take care of you for 3 to 6 months. uh, till then you can search for a alternate job, and in between you can take care of your daily needs and your family needs. The emergency fund should not be invested in stocks or equity, but it should be invested in a saving account or a CD account where there is liquidity. So, anytime you have any emergency, you don't have to wait for markets to go up or anything like that, because it is emergency and you need the funds, and you can withdraw it immediately for your personal use. The next priority in financial planning is debt management. So, in case you have a student loan or credit card debts or car loan, something like that, you should try to pay off as early as possible. Also, you must prioritize the repayment of loans. You pay off the loans which are having higher interest rates, and then go for the paying off lower interest rates loans. Also, you can try to look for some refinancing schemes where you can shift your loans to some other bank where the interest rate can be a little lower. So, these will help you to become debt free fast. Friends, there are many goals in our life, but one goal which is there with everyone is the goal of retirement planning and retirement corpus. So, in US, the employers provide a matching contribution generally in the scheme called 401k. So please adopt for this scheme, and this is a government regulated and monitored scheme, giving a very uh, reasonably good returns, and usually it takes care of your retirement corpus to a large extent. Friends, there is a scheme called IRA, Individual Retirement Account. Please consider opening one account like that and use it to the maximum limit allowed. And there are tax benefits also associated with these accounts, and you will really get benefited from these accounts for a retirement planning. Friends, the tax planning is a very important part of financial planning in USA. There are several ways in which you can save your taxes or claim reimbursement of taxes. So there are several schemes like I said earlier, 401k, IRA, then there is HSA, health account, and there is a account called 529, that is for your children higher education, where you can do some investments on monthly basis. So all these avenues provide some kind of tax benefit. So it is very important to know about them. You can consult your tax consultant and make full use of these tax saving schemes. The taxes what you save in your financial planning, if you keep investing them rightly, can give you a good large sum when you decide to retire. In USA, the employers generally provide contributions toward your life insurance and health insurance through health savings account. Friends, you might be having several short-term goals like buying a house, buying a car, travel, etc. And you might be having some long-term goals also like education of your kids, college education. In USA, if you are a taxpayer, the primary and secondary education may be free, but the higher education needs good corpus. So there are several schemes where you can invest, like 529. So for your short-term and long-term goals, it is advised that you make diversified investments in mutual funds or instruments like stocks, realty, etc. Friends, finally you must take care of your estate planning. So basically it's creating a will which you must do, and you must mention clearly the names and details of beneficiaries. Also, you must have adequate life insurance, and usually the companies which employ you provide term plans, and they are good because they cover a good corpus with low amount of premium. However, you must go for endowment plan also, because here you have compulsory saving, and it has got tax-free benefits, and just in case you are not there, your family receives a sizable amount which will take care of their expenses. Finally, let us understand that no planning will be successful or fruitful if we don't do savings and spend wisely. So for achieving this goal of saving and investments, please start budgeting your expenses. Along with budgeting, you must monitor your expenses on a periodical basis, maybe daily basis or weekly basis, so that you understand that you are on a right track and not overspending. We have to control our aspirations a little bit so that we have a good corpus saved for our bad days or old days. Being an NRI, you have got a great advantage of investing in India also. India is the best emerging economy in present with very high GDP rate, and India has got demographic population benefit. So for next 10 to 20 years, India is just like heaven for making money by investing in several avenues like mutual funds, stock markets, insurance, real estate, etc. So please keep this in mind, because not only NRIs but American citizens or anybody who wants to make money through investments is considering India very positively. So please keep that in mind. I'll be making and discussing a separate video for opportunities for NRIs in India. So please wait for that, and surely watch that to make use of growing Indian markets and economy. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this outdoor video in a foreign location and beautiful scenic location. I am really enjoying this place. I hope you also enjoyed it. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please share my video to all your friends with a request to like, share and subscribe. And my contact details is there in the description. Please get in touch with me for further advice on financial planning, and wish you a very happy future. Thanks.